Hello, Namaste to all. I simply welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I'm doing a card reading for this whole week, which is from Monday till Sunday. I have already in my prayers put the intentions, and I have already shuffled the cards from two decks. And the two decks which I'm using today, in the first deck is Angels Answers deck, and the second one is Everyday Peace card. And I will start reading from the first deck. And the first card is the situation will improve. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, well, your angels want you to know that they are aware that things look difficult right now. However, the situation is going to improve. It may take some time, and there will be most likely be some hard work ahead of you, but the effort you put forth will be worth it, and things are going to get better. Now is not the time to give up on wounded friendships or aligning relationships. There is still hope for the future. Take heart and continue to work toward a partnership where both parties are fulfilled and happy in the future. Another card. Opportunity. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, positive growth and expansion is on the horizon for you. The opportunity may bring with it inspiration and insight, or it could be the chance you have been waiting for to take actions on ideas you already have. You may be seeking to manifest the chance to create change in your career, buy or sell a home, or bring romance into your life. Whatever you desire, your angels are about to open a door of possibilities for you. Step right through. Another card. It's up to you. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, the end result of the situation you ask about is entirely on your hands. You can affect the outcome by taking a proactive approach to solving any challenges. Stand in your own power and have confidence that you have what it takes to bring about a happy ending. Don't wait for someone else to rush in and take charge in order to come to a successful conclusion. This situation requires your unique perspective and experience. Another card. If you believe. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, what you need right now is faith. You can have what you desire, but you must believe that it can be so. Stay positive and visualize the outcome you are hoping for. Set aside all negativities or premises in favor of a sunny outlook. The law of attraction brings to us what we expect to receive. If our perception is that we deserve great things, then we will attract happiness. If we fall into doubt and don't believe in our own self-worth, then our experience will match that energy. Believe in yourself and your cherished dream. Another card. Perfect timing. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, this is perfect timing for the situation you have asked about. Move forward with confidence. Don't delay or hesitate, because an energy gateway is presently open for you. Conditions are right. Even if you don't feel prepared, rest assured that you are. Last but not the least, compromise. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, in order to create a happy outcome for this situation, you will find it necessary to compromise. Allow yourself some time to become clear about what is truly important to you. Also take note of matters where you would be open to changing your position. Work through an agreement where everyone wins. Be open to cooperation that will allow you to get what you need, while also assisting others in fulfilling their desires. Be objective about finding a balance between respecting everyone else's viewpoint and still being true to your own. Now I'll start reading from another deck, and the first is seeking what is already there. It means, at the moment of his awakening, at the foot of the Bodhi tree, the Buddha declared how strange or being possessed the capacity to be awakened, to understand, to love, to be free, yet they allow themselves to be carried away on the ocean of suffering. He saw that day and night we are seeking what is already there within us. Another card. I am here for you, and it means, the heart of Buddhist practice is to generate our own presence in such a way that we can touch deeply the life that is here and available in every moment. We have to be here for ourselves. We have to be here for the people we love. We have to be here for life with all its wonder. The message of our Buddhist practice is simple and clear. I am here for you. Another card. In the here, in the now, and it means, breathing in, repeat, in the here, in the here. Breathing out, in the now, in the now. Although these are different words, they mean exactly the same thing. I have arrived in the here. I have arrived in the now. I am home in the here. I am home in the now. When you practice like that, you practice stopping. Stopping is the basic Buddhist practice of meditation. You stop running. You stop struggling. You allow yourself to rest, to heal, and to calm. Which seeds will we cultivate? And it means the worth of human being is not a begging but a continuation. And when we are born, all the different kinds of seeds, seeds of goodness, of cruelty, of awakening, are already inside us. Whether the goodness or cruel in us is revealed depends on what seed we cultivate, our actions and our way of life. Another card, the lamp of mindfulness. And it means we have a lamp inside us, the lamp of mindfulness, which we can light anytime. The oil of that lamp is our breathing, our steps, and our peaceful smile. We have to light up that lamp of mindfulness so the light will shine out and the darkness will dissipate and cease. Our practice is to light up the lamp. Last but not the least, a baby lives. It means if you are a parent or a caregiver of an infant, chances are if that baby cries, you will stop whatever you're doing and hold the baby. You may pick up the baby and hold it tenderly in your arms. Your anger is like a small child crying for help. When the energy of anger comes up, we can respond in exactly the same way we would with a suffering baby. We can embrace the energy of our anger in order to calm it. Your anger is not your enemy. Your anger is your suffering baby. Take care of this baby using the energy of mindfulness to embrace in the most tender way. We can say, breathing in, I know that anger is in me. Breathing out, I am peacefully holding my anger. So this was the carding for the whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I want to say thanks to all the subscribers, people who are helping me to make this video, and people who are inspiring to make this video. Thank you, all of you. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel. Take care, leaves lots of love, bright and angel blessings. Namaste.